to put in perspective, I don't know if you can see me at all right now, but I mean, I literally look ridiculous right now. So, man, if you guys are enjoying these videos, please drop a like, because these type of videos are so embarrassing to make, but they're, I think, the most fun to watch for you guys, but they're so embarrassing. Like, people are looking at me, I can see them in their mirrors right now, like who does this guy think he is? Like, what in the world is going on right now? Is he filming a commercial? Man, people down here, you don't find any YouTube people out here, or people that make any type of like social media content that I know of, so they get like shocked seeing somebody film. I see YouTubers that have been filming YouTube forever, and they say they still feel awkward when they film in public and people are looking at them, but I'm getting there. I'm getting used to it slowly. Can't keep wasting, you know, good moments and good content for what people think around me. It's just so stupid, but listen to this. That's the best sound this car has ever made since ownership in person. I don't know how that sounded on video, but that sounded literally insane. Oh, that one before was so nice. I wish the car always makes these sounds when it's not raining, but